the Metals Daily News, brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 7 June 2017. The benchmark 3-month nickel forwards traded on the London Metal Exchange fell by 11.5% year to date. Nickel made a new low for the year at $8,700 per ton on 2nd of June. Nickel prices are now expected to trade at a very low levels through 2017. The production of nickel ore from Philippines is back to normal as compared with the tight supply due to lower production in March 2017, resulting in an increase of nickel prices up to $11,000 per ton. Along with that, Indonesia resumed nickel ore supply by lifting the ban on nickel ore and bauxite exports. This collectively led to the increase in supply of nickel metal and subsequently increase in nickel stocks. Both Philippines and Indonesia account for 30% of global nickel supply. However, demand for nickel has declined in China by 20% to 2.3 million tons in the first quarter of 2017. Precisely, China's imports from the Philippines decreased to 1.69 million tons in April, suggesting weak demand in China. The demand for steel is also decreasing as steel exports have reduced by 27% year-on-year in China. Currently, the 3-month nickel forwards are trading at $8,865 per ton at LME, showing a decrease of 0.51% as compared to yesterday. Hindustan Zinc has decreased zinc prices by Rs 5,300 per metric ton. Special high grade is now priced at Rs 1,89,300 as compared to Rs 1,94,600 per metric ton on 1st June 2017 at Tarapur stock point. Hindustan Zinc has decreased lead prices by Rs 1,000 per metric ton. Lead of minimum concentration 99.99% is now priced at Rs 1,63,200 per metric ton as compared to Rs 1,64,200 rupees per metric ton on 1st June 2017 at Tarapur stock point. India produced 16.391 million tons of crude steel in the first 2 months of the current fiscal, which has increased by 4.5% year-on-year. According to the Joint Plan Committee report, the production for month of May was 8.163 million tons, up by 2.2% as compared to the same period last year. Production for sale of total finished steel during April to May increased by 6.7% to 17.546 million tons as compared to the same period last year. Exports were at 0.558 million tons in May 2017, 2.4% up as against 0.545 million tons export in May 2016. Metals Update assessed offers for MS scrap from the Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 20,200 per ton, while fresh scrap is being offered at Rs 22,700 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh are currently quoted at Rs 27,750 per ton, while at Ludhiana and Muzaffarnagar the offers have been recorded at Rs 28,050 and 26,500 rupees per ton respectively. It is expected that stockists will now be purchasing fresh stock until the implementation of GST, which could cause prices to remain range bound. In international offers, steel billet of 150 mm of South Kawai Steel Company SKS Iran is being offered at $375 per ton on FOB basis CFR Iran. Also, the company offers steel billet and slab at $370 per metric ton on FOB basis CFR Iran. Steel billet of Isfahan Steel Company ESC Iran is being offered at $378 per ton on FOB basis CFR Iran, and HRC from Mubarak Steel Company is available at $450 per metric ton on FOB basis CFR Iran. Thank you for listening. Join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.